I'm about to try something new in the education space that I haven't seen before. And I'm going to ask you a question that you haven't been asked before. Are you ready? What do you want to learn? That's right, I asked it. A simple yet direct question. That's it. Stop and think about your answer. Let me ask you again. What do you want to learn? As I grow this channel and our community grows, I aim to create content around what you guys need help with. How can I better break down all this tech jargon into terms you can understand? If you're new here, welcome to Code with Josh, and for obvious reasons, I'm Josh. In order for this experiment to work correctly and to shell shock the YouTube algorithm, we need to reach as many learners around the world as we can. I need you guys to like and comment answering my question, right? It's simple. This is a place for us to engage with each other, create a community, and find out what interests us. What do you guys want to learn? Comment below and let me know. As I grow this channel, I'm constantly going to be coming back to this video and checking to see what you guys are intrigued by. What can I do to break down that tech jargon so you guys can get ahead faster? While I'd like your answers to be about coding, it doesn't have to be. This can be a place that brings us together around anything that interests you. We're all trying to find the right video on YouTube. Well, what is that right video for you? And I'll ask one final time, what do you want to learn? Let me know, and I will see you guys in next week's episode of Code with Josh.